Hello kids, welcome to KiddosTV. Today we are going to write the letters, the small letters from A to Z. So let us get started with the color names. This is light green color. This is brown color. This is blue color. This is orange color. This is light blue color. This is yellow color. This is pink color. This is black color. This is purple color. This is red color. This is dark green color. Let us get started and color all these alphabets. This is A. A for apple. A. A for apple. This is B. B for ball. B for ball. This is C. C for cat. This is D. D for dog. This is E. E for elephant. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. This is G. G for giraffe. This is H. H for hen. H for hen. I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J. J for jug. J for jug. K. K for kite. K for kite. L. L for lion. M. M for monkey. M for monkey. N. N for nest. N for nest. O. O for owl. O for owl. P. P for parrot. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. R. R for rabbit. S. S for sun. S for sun. T. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V. V for van. V for van. W. W for watch. W for watch. X. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yo-yo. Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Kids, I hope you like coloring these letters. So let us read. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for hat. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for owl. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rat. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Thank you kids for coloring this with me. Do like and subscribe. Bye bye.